Want to make money online without the headache of creating your own products? You're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how affiliate marketing works and showing you step-by-step how you can start earning today, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around, because this could be the easiest way for you to start making real money online. Welcome back to the Money Map, where we help you grow your income and your freedom one smart step at a time. Today, I'm sharing with you the easiest way beginners can start earning money online, and that's through affiliate marketing. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this method is simple, proven, and perfect for anyone starting fresh. What is affiliate marketing? Explaining in simple words. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to earn money online. It's when you promote someone else's product or service, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. You don't have to create the product, handle customer service, or manage inventory. You just focus on recommending great products and getting paid when people buy through you. Here's exactly how affiliate marketing works step by step. First, you find a product or service you genuinely like and want to promote. Next, you sign up for an affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link. Then you share that link through your content, whether it's on YouTube, a blog, Instagram, or any other platform. Finally, whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple, and the best part is you can scale it up over time. Best affiliate programs for beginners. If you're just starting out with affiliate marketing, some of the best programs to join are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. These platforms offer thousands of products across every niche you can think of, making it easy to find something you're excited to promote. Plus, they're beginner-friendly, trusted, and have plenty of resources to help you get started quickly. How to choose the right products. When choosing products to promote, always pick ones you truly believe in and that your audience will genuinely find helpful. Building trust with your audience is everything in affiliate marketing. If you recommend products just for quick commissions without caring about quality, people will lose confidence in you, and once trust is broken, it's hard to earn it back. Focus on value first, and the earnings will follow. Mistakes beginners should avoid. One final tip: don't just spam your affiliate links everywhere hoping for quick sales. Instead, focus on creating real value first, whether that's through helpful videos, honest reviews, or educational content. When you genuinely help people solve a problem or make a better decision, the sales will come naturally. Value builds trust, and trust leads to long-term success in affiliate marketing. How much can you earn? When it comes to earnings, it really depends on your consistency and the strategies you use. Some beginners start by making just a few dollars a week, while others who stay focused and keep improving their methods eventually scale up to earning thousands of dollars each month. The key is to stay patient, keep learning, and apply smart strategies consistently over time. Final pro tip. When it comes to affiliate marketing, the key to success is starting small, staying consistent, and continuously learning. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. As you build your strategy, don't get discouraged by the slow start. Keep pushing forward, adapt to what works, and over time, you'll see the results. Consistency is the secret ingredient, and with dedication, affiliate marketing can turn into a steady and reliable source of income. Want to discover how DeepSeek AI can help you earn money online in 2025? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down the most powerful and practical ways you can start generating income using DeepSeek AI, whether you're a content creator, freelancer, or just someone looking to start a side hustle. This isn't just theory, these are real methods people are using right now to make money online, and you can too. So stick around because one of these might just change your income game. Welcome back to the Money Map. Today we're diving into something that's seriously shaking up the online income world: DeepSeek AI. This tool is changing how people make money from home, from content creation to freelancing and even launching digital products. If you're looking for fresh ways to boost your income in 2025, this video is going to show you how to put DeepSeek AI to work. Overview of DeepSeek AI. So, what exactly is DeepSeek AI? It's a next-gen artificial intelligence tool designed for generating high-quality text content, kind of like ChatGPT, but with advanced language understanding and customization options. DeepSeek AI can write articles, generate scripts, assist with coding, answer complex queries, and even help with research. What's crazy is how fast it's gaining popularity. From content creators to educators to marketers, people across industries are using DeepSeek to save time and boost productivity. Whether you're freelancing, running an online business, or building a brand, this tool has become a game changer in 2025. Top methods to make money using DeepSeek AI. Method 1. AI-generated content creation. The first way to make money with DeepSeek AI is through content creation, specifically blog posts and articles. DeepSeek makes it super easy to generate high-quality, SEO-friendly content in minutes. Whether you're writing about personal finance, tech, or lifestyle, this tool can handle it. Once your blog is up and running, you can monetize it through ad revenue, like Google AdSense, or even better, by adding affiliate links that pay you every time someone makes a purchase. It's a great way to build passive income while letting AI do the heavy lifting. Method 2. YouTube video scripting. The second way to make money using DeepSeek AI is by creating YouTube video scripts. Whether you're running a finance channel like mine or covering tech, health, or even storytelling, DeepSeek AI can help you draft full video scripts in minutes. You just give it a topic or idea, and it generates a structured, engaging script ready for camera. Once you've got your script, you can record the video, upload it to YouTube, and start earning through ads, affiliate links, and even sponsorships down the line. It saves time, boosts creativity, and helps you stay consistent with your uploads, which is key for growth on YouTube. Method 3. Freelance services. By suggesting viewers offer AI-generated content services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. These platforms provide a great opportunity to monetize skills in AI content creation. You can emphasize that using tools like DeepSeek AI can help efficiently fulfill client requirements. By leveraging the power of AI, freelancers can produce high-quality content in less time, making it easier to handle multiple projects and maximize earnings. Whether it's writing blog posts, creating social media content, or developing marketing materials, offering AI-generated services allows freelancers to cater to a wide range of clients while maintaining competitive pricing and high output. This method can be a great way to earn money while keeping up with the growing demand for AI-driven content in various industries. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in making money online using AI tools like DeepSeek. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on future content that dives deeper into AI-driven methods for earning income and optimizing productivity. Sharing this video helps others discover these valuable tools and strategies, so together, we can grow our online ventures and succeed in the world of AI-powered opportunities.